This man is going to become a billionaire by taking the healthiest thing, water, and marketing it as the deadliest thing. Mike Cicero decided to make a video advertising water as deadly, calling his new canned beverage Liquid Death. And within 4 months, his video gained 3 million views. He used Liquid Death's new social media presence to raise funding to make the canned water. The idea initially came about as Mike noticed that all unhealthy beverage companies advertise their products to make them look delicious and healthy for consumers. He thought, what if he did the opposite? And immediately cans started to sell out online. But individually shipping water to customers became too costly. They needed a new solution. Eventually, Whole Foods took them in. Liquid Death might start off as a funny anti-marketing strategy, but now it's much more than that, as they advocate death to plastic. And now today, the company is valued at $700 million.